story from Bolling Air Force Base in today's Neighborhood News.
Make sure you all have your wall lockers.
Staff Sergeant David Uslan cuts his trainees no slack.
You press your stuff up at lunch, Rivera?
Yes, sir.
You could say that I'm basically like their father. I take care of every aspect of their life.
As a military training leader for the United States Air Force Honor Guard, Uslan's job is to make sure the recruits understand the significance of their upcoming assignment.
Basic training is like one of the first significant emotional experiences of their life, and they come here and this is the second, big significant emotional event in their life because they're in basic training. They were brought to one standard. In the Honor Guard, we take that standard and push them, 2 or 3 notches further than that.
High standards are required as the Honor Guard represents the Air Force in ceremonial functions, such as burials at Arlington Cemetery, dignitary arrivals at the White House or the Pentagon, and any joint services special event. But before you get here, it takes 6 weeks here under the watchful eye of Staff Sergeant Uslan.
Stand by.
And while Uslan teaches discipline, we found he also has it.
Usually during the week I go for short, quick rides, usually 20, 30, 40-mile rides during the week. And on the weekends I do my 60 to 80-mile rides.
Uslan is training for the European AIDS vaccine ride.
It's a 575-mile trip, roughly, and it goes from Amsterdam to Paris.
And a trek Uslan has been training for 6 months. Yet he has been raising money for the cause for nearly a year, as each participant is required to raise $5,000. It is the first AIDS campaign the ceremonial guardsman has ever been involved with, and while the ride itself will take 7 days to complete, Uslan hopes those who see him cycle by in his Air Force jersey will long remember something special about those who make up the U.S. military.
I believe in community service. I believe it's important to kind of give back to your community. I believe it's important to, be involved.
And as a member of the United States Air Force Honor Guard, it doesn't get any more honorable than that. Holly Morris, Fox 5 News.
Severe weather sends trees crashing down, causing lots of damage to area homes. Well, do you